Apayao. Officially, the province of Apayao is a landlocked province in the Philippines, in the Cordillera Administrative Region in Luzon. It has a rich culture and traditions. The last nature frontier of the North and recently declared by UNESCO as the 4th Biosphere Reserve in the Philippines. Prior to 1995, Kalinga and Apayao comprised a single province named Kalinga-Apayao, which was partitioned to better service the needs of individual ethnic groups.
Ang Apayao kasi noon is sub-province ng Kalinga-Apayao way back 1995. Before 1995, Kalinga-Apayao ang province namin. So ang nakikilala, Kalinga, hindi nakikilala ang Apayao. Pero in 1995, naghiwalay ang Apayao at Kalinga by virtue of RA 7878.
To Major General Pagdilaw, Deputy Idol tayo, Panwar Itinorte. Thank you so much for your organization because eto sir yung force multiplier in the province na madali kong lapitan, especially in major events, especially in major activities we are undertaking for the promotion of public order and safety in the province. Thank you so much and enjoy your stay. Mabuhay po kayo. Apayao, Ipasindayaw.
Grinab namin itong opportunity ng CIS para i-boost yung tourism ng Apayao. Kasi para makilala naman ang Apayao being isang probinsya, regular province talaga siya.
Naririto tayo to celebrate our 13th year of existence.
We welcome you today, but we will welcome you once again should you opt to return and visit the province of Apayao.
Sa aming CIS Luzon Summit ngayon, nakipag-partner kami sa Provincial Government of Apayao sa Provincial Tourism Office para gawin namin itong event na ito na mai-express man lang namin yung tagline namin na Apayao, Ipasindayaw.
Malaking karangalan ng probinsya ng Apayao at napili ninyo na dito ang inyong venue sa 13th founding anniversary of this community investigative support. Maraming salamat po at nakita ninyo itong aming batang probinsya.
Thank you, CIS, for being part of the development of Apayao, the civil society organizations like the CIS. It's really, we can call it a force multiplier to our programs and projects in the province of Apayao. So maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Anniversaries like this are moments to look back at the past.
Hindi po kami napapagod mabilad sa sikat ng araw o umuulanan para lamang makatulong sa mga nangangailangan. Naniniwala pa rin po kami na mas magiging makabuluhan at madali ang lahat kapag tayo po ay nagtutulungan.
There could never be a CIS Luzon Summit without all of you. Kayo po ang dahilan ng pagiging successful ng event na ito.
Sa dami po natin, hindi po basta-bastang preparation, coordination and everything. So, we are very glad na successful naman itong pag-host namin.
I gave you all of my heart, I took it back to the start, I found a way for you. was known.
Our 1, 2, 3 growing initiative have already planted 250 seedlings. Hindi pa po kasama dito yung mga naitanim natin kaninang umaga.
Don't come, you gotta feel it, feel it. Don't come, you gotta feel it, feel it. Don't come, you gotta feel it. When all this ends, the world will begin again. Don't come, you gotta feel it, feel it. Don't come, you gotta feel it, feel it. Don't come, you gotta feel it. When all this ends, the world will begin again.
With the Memorandum of Agreement signing between CIS Apayao and Apayao Police Provincial Office, we will strengthen our advocacy on responsible gun ownership. Iisa-isahin natin lahat ng gun owners para maturuan sila ng tamang paggamit ng baril.
If you pass before you, you'll never be truly free.
Kailangan tayo, mga citizens, na tumulong. Hindi pwedeng ang ating lang pulis, ang ating lang nasa pamahalaan, ang kailangan pumilos upang tahimik ang ating pamayanan.
Lusoc Cave and Underground River in Luna, Apayao, is a major ecotourism destination in the Cordilleras. The adventure begins with a boat ride through a 100-meter stretch of the underground river, showcasing stunning rock formations.
Actually, lusok siya kasi diba sa Ilocano yung lusok, butas, ganon. Kasi napansin nyo nung napumunta kayo doon, may butas sa taas niya, di ba? Pero doon sa cave niya, parang dead end, di ba? Cave na siya. Yung butas niya sa taas. Tapos ang dami niyang cave sa loob.
Don't come, you gotta feel it, feel it. Don't come, you gotta feel it, feel it. Don't come, you gotta feel it. When all this ends, the world will begin again. Don't come, you gotta feel it, feel it. Don't come, you gotta feel it, feel it. Don't come, you gotta feel it. When all this ends, the world will begin again. Say you'll never find the magic that you had when there was a.
I am honored to be surrounded by such a remarkable group of dedicated individuals who always put others above self and always choosing to be of help than to be helped. My snappiest salute to all of you. As I have always been saying, let us never doubt the dedication and passion of a small group of committed, ordinary people whose efforts, when put together, can make a difference and can even change the world.
Don't make it harder than it has to be. There's no comfort in the fantasy.
Sa tulong ng bawat isa, layon nating lahat na patuloy na iangat ang estado ng CIS sa ating mga nasasakupan. Sa dami ng ating nagawa, ginagawa at gagawin pa lamang, tsak, mapapagod tayo pero hindi po tayo susuko. Walang sinusukuan ang CIS. My dear partners, let us continue to set the quality standards for our organization. Happy 13th founding anniversary at mabuhay ang CIS.
Alam natin maraming mga challenges, pero naririto pa rin tayo ngayon. So we have to thank God because by His grace, we're able to survive, not only survive, but thrive. And we continue to give our due to the community.
To Police Colonel Jefferson Carriaga, maraming salamat po sa ating butihing Governor, Butsi Bulot, of course, Pres Josel, Partner Josel, pakipaabot po kay Mayor Dandex Agatep yung aming pong pasasalamat sa palagi pong pagtulong ninyo sa CIS.
Mabuhay ang CIS! Mabuhay ang CIS Apayao!